Hey folks, have you had ever had a problem with your vehicle's directional and parking lights getting moisture in them and shorting out your lights? This is a LED light in my directionals on my Tahoe, and I keep having a problem with moisture getting in here. And it could be because the plastic's not sealed good. I've checked my seals around the place where the sockets are, where the bulbs go in, and they're good. But this is what I found, okay? And that is how much water has accumulated over a month or so in both of my lights, causing all kinds of problems. It's corroded my sockets that my bulbs go into, and it's caused all kinds of issues. Doesn't matter if you have a Chevy, a Ford, a Dodge, doesn't matter what you have. This can happen to you with some of these things that are made out of plastic. They build up condensation and get moisture in them. I'm going to show you a quick way to fix that, that you can do yourself. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take my lights, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drill a small hole in each one of the bottoms where the lights go into. And what that's going to do is as moisture builds up in here and condensation, it's going to allow it to drip out the bottom. Now, in most cases, you probably won't even have to do that, but in my case, I've had this problem before, and it just keeps coming back, and rather than replace this whole unit, I'm going to just drill holes in the back, and that'll take care of the problem. Alright, now there's 4 weep holes and both of these lights. Alright, so by drilling these 4 holes in there, what's going to happen is when I do get moisture and condensation in here, for whatever reason, it's going to drip out of the bottom, and that should put a stop to my my water issue. Because when I checked this out, the water was almost halfway up. It was all the way up to where it got into the sockets and messed up the sockets on this. So all I've got to do now is go ahead and put my lights back in, new bulbs back in, and I should be good to go. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you subscribe and comment. If you have any comments, we'd really appreciate it. I'm Jim Carr from Carolina Outdoor Adventure TV, and we'll see you next time in the next video.